equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a soft cloth for cleaning. Start by unplugging your Thermomix TM31 from the power source to ensure safety during the process. Next, carefully remove the base of the Thermomix. You will find several screws located at the bottom. Using your Phillips screwdriver, unscrew these screws and set them aside in a safe place. Remember, it's important to keep track of all screws to avoid losing any during the process. Once the base is removed, gently lift the panel from the top. You may need to use your flathead screwdriver to pry it open slightly if it's stuck. Be cautious not to damage any internal components while doing this. As you lift the panel, take a moment to inspect the internal area for any dust or debris. A clean machine operates more efficiently, so use your soft cloth to wipe down any surfaces you can reach. Now, let's focus on the panel itself. If you notice any cracks or damage, it's time to replace it. When you have your new panel ready, align it carefully with the existing fittings. Press down gently until you hear a click, indicating it's securely in place. Before reassembling, double-check that all internal components are in their correct positions and that there are no loose wires. If you're feeling uncertain about any part of this process, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our team can help you assess the situation and provide guidance. Once you're satisfied everything is in order, it's time to reattach the base. Replace the screws you removed earlier, ensuring they are tightened securely but not overly so, as this could damage the plastic. After the base is back in place, plug your Thermomix TM31 back into the power source. Turn it on to test if the new panel is functioning correctly. If everything is working as it should, congratulations! You've successfully changed the panel on your Thermomix. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home. This means you don't have to worry about transporting your machine. We can handle it all for you, ensuring a hassle-free experience. Finally, if you encounter any issues during this process or if the panel doesn't seem to be working correctly, don't hesitate to reach out. We provide a quote before repair, so you'll know exactly what to expect. Thank you for following along, and enjoy your perfectly functioning Thermomix TM31. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.